to 8 out Pandora's box. My style's unorthodox, left-handed self-law, right brain self-taught. Back when I started busting rhymes like coming of age. Same time I bust my first nut, coming of age.
Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to Street Defense. My name's Jason, it's my buddy Adon.
How's it going?
And today we're going to cover the grabbing shirt technique, okay? So, Adon, show him. This is, very classic tough guy, bully, grabs you by the shirt, maybe like puts you up against the wall or something, right? Another thing they might do is they might grab you and then try to punch you with the other arm, right? Kind of like, a hockey style or whatever. So we're going to cover a few basic concepts and techniques to how to defend against this kind of thing. So if Adon grabs me in this shirt grab kind of thing, obviously it's kind of stupid for him, to be honest. Like, unless he's like trying to hit me, his arms are occupied on my shirt while I can strike freely, right? So obviously if you feel like your life's endangered or, you actually have to start striking this person, I can start throwing strikes, and he can't really do too much to defend it. But, say we don't want to escalate it right now, right? Say we just want to get his arms off us, all right? So one thing we can do is we can weave our arm through and get it right next to his fingers. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one arm and we're going to go over that same side arm, and then we're going to go under that cross-side arm, okay? And then we're going to take our hand and try to get it right against our chest, and this is going to strip his fingers away. So we're going to attach our other hand to our hand, kind of like a praying hand right here, and then we're going to turn with our hips right against our body, and this will strip his hands away from us. From here we can push away, diffuse the situation, right? If you feel like I have to hit this person, right, I can hit him, strip the arms, same thing, right? Another basic one, if he grabs me by the shirt, is I can also grab him here, right, hold him here, throw a knee, and this will most likely strip his grip as well. But like I said, it's very unlikely that they'll just grab you like this without doing anything, because they're kind of left defenseless. Something that's more common is they might grab you with one and then try to throw another punch, right? Boom, right here, right? So what I'm going to want to do here is, obviously, if he's throwing punches, I want to block here, right? And try to block these punches from coming in, right? But the same thing applies. I can still strip that hand, throw my attacks, and run away. So that'll conclude today's episode of a shirt grab defense, and thank you, Adon, and I'll see you guys next week.
Ironic how in high school I made the high honor roll. While I was high honor roll, killing instrumentals, never sentimental. But I'll be sentimental institutions for this crazy hell I'm spewing.